Dog breeds that are prone to diabetes. Diabetes doesn't only impact humans, our dogs are also prone to developing this condition. The insulin a dog's body makes is affected when your dog gets diabetes. Its body can't produce insulin or responds incorrectly to it, resulting in a blood sugar imbalance. The result impacts our dog's ability to stay healthy and active. Many kinds of breeds of dogs are prone to diabetes. From small apartment dogs to large dogs needing lots of space and room to run, there are signs and symptoms to watch out for that may indicate your dog has diabetes. Taking your dog to the vet to get the correct diagnosis and treatment with medication can help to manage diabetes and allow your dog more longevity and healthier life. If you're in the market for a new dog, you may be curious which dogs are more prone to diabetes. Below you will find a list of breeds that are more susceptible to the disease, as well as more about diabetes and how to treat it if your dog gets it. Risk factors for diabetes in dogs. The breed or type of dog is one of the top risks for diabetes. But, it is helpful to know that there are other factors involved in what makes a dog more prone to diabetes. Several other reasons can contribute to your dog ending up with diabetes, such as age. Dogs will usually develop diabetes in middle or old age weight. An obese dog can create cells in its body that are more resistant to insulin. Gender. Female dogs and neutered male dogs are more likely to contract diabetes. Diet and nutrition. If you feed your dog food high in fat, you propel the risk of contracting diabetes. Consult with your vet about choosing proper dog food for health. Dog breeds more prone to diabetes. Golden Retrievers are among the top dog breeds more prone to diabetes. However, they are also one of the most friendly and trainable family pets to own. Any dog you get, from a shelter to a breeder, can develop diabetes. Mixed breeds can be more prone than purebreds, but that doesn't rule out any specific breed. Some of the breeds more likely to develop diabetes besides Goldens that you should be aware of include Cocker Spaniels, Labrador Retrievers, Terrier breeds, Toy Poodles, Pomeranians, Miniature Schnauzers, Casehaunts. These breeds are more prone to diabetes, but that doesn't mean other breeds can't develop the condition. And, just because your dog's breed may fall into one of these categories, it may not necessarily end up with diabetes. Types of diabetes in dogs. Diabetes is not a curable condition, however, it is very treatable by using low-carb, keto pet food, especially when caught early in your pup. Two types of diabetes occur in dogs: insulin deficiency diabetes, IDD, and insulin resistance diabetes, IRD. With the deficiency, canines don't make enough insulin to keep glucose levels balanced. As a result, it can cause genetic defects, pancreas inflammation, and sickness. The insulin resistance type of diabetes is where the insulin function is not occurring correctly. There may be specific causes such as hormones or endocrine disease. Pregnant dogs more often will contract a form of type IRD diabetes, which is similar to gestational diabetes in pregnant humans. Signs and symptoms of diabetes in dogs. Diabetes is challenging to detect. Your dog may not always show clear signs or symptoms of the disease. If you take your dog to the vet for regular checkups, the veterinarian may discover diabetes during routine blood work. There are some common signs of diabetes in dogs, which can include weight loss, change in appetite, increased thirst and urination, lack of energy, lethargy. If you notice any of these symptoms, even if you don't suspect diabetes, it is helpful to contact your veterinarian and bring in your dog for a checkup. Many of these signs can indicate other harmful health problems in your pet. As a pet owner, you must know your dog well. Dogs have ways to communicate and cannot speak to understand if something is wrong. If you are intuitive, you can detect when something is off, or your dog isn't behaving as usual. Bring concerns to your veterinarian's attention immediately. Diagnosis and treatment of diabetes in dogs. Ketogenic diet is a recent approach to manage diabetes in dogs, as it promotes ketosis, which aids in burning fat for energy rather than glucose. A keto diet includes high fat, moderate protein, and low carbohydrates intake. This approach leads to more effective blood sugar control and weight loss. The treatment of diabetes in dogs typically involves a combination of insulin therapy and dietary management. In addition to insulin therapy, dietary management is an important part of the treatment of diabetes in dogs. A low-carbohydrate, high-protein diet is often recommended, along with regular exercise to help the dog maintain a healthy weight. In summary, diabetes in dogs is a metabolic disorder that occurs when the body is unable to properly regulate blood sugar levels. It requires close monitoring of blood sugar levels, regular veterinary checkups, and strict adherence to the prescribed treatment plan, which includes insulin therapy, dietary management, and potentially a ketogenic diet. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos in the future. Don't forget to leave your comments and let us know what you think.